want to take just a second to demonstrate the difference between a learning module to display your content versus a content folder. So you'll recognize that we're in our own course, and I'm in the weekly modules content area, and you recognize all of our weekly modules here that I've built. And when I say I'm using a learning module, that just means that each item of the module is presented sequentially to you. So if I look at this in student view, you see that this first object in the module is presented, and you have to either click on this little arrow to go to the next item, or you can use this table of contents over here. And so it's really good for linear learners because they can kind of check it off as they go through each item. So that is the learning module way to organize content. And to create a learning module, you just need to click on Build Content and click on Learning Module. You'll give your learning module a name and perhaps a description here, and click Submit. And once you're inside the learning module, you can add your content. So you can add items, you can add files, you can add images, audio, web links, YouTube videos, so you can add those items and begin to build your learning module. Alright, so that's learning modules. Now let me show you a course I taught this summer where I use content folders as opposed to learning modules. So you see the difference. I have a folder icon here as opposed to the little tabbed notebook learning module icon. So this is a course I taught over the summer. And you'll notice again it's content folders, so week 1 is displayed all on one page. And so everything that students need for week 1 is all on one page, and they simply scroll through each item to see the different areas of content. And the way that I designed it this summer, there was sort of an explore learn component. There was the connect collaborate component and the experiment apply component. So this is just a different way to design. I liked this because it's a little bit more visually orienting. You can kind of see how the content is broken up. But some learners like it to be more step-by-step and broken up by the table of content. So it's really sort of your preference in designing and what you think your students would benefit from most. Notice that you can add, when you add items, you can add images, text, video, embedded forms, and essentially the same things that you can add in a learning module. Again, it's just a different way to display content. And let me show you how that looks. So all you would do here within your weekly modules content area is build content and create a content folder. And then the same concept is to give it a name, a description, submit it, and then add items to the one page as opposed to the learning module. So if you have any questions about whether to choose a content folder or a learning module, let me know, and I can certainly try to give you advice on that.